In 2025, Pakistan faced one of its most severe monsoon seasons in recent years. Relentless rains triggered flash floods, river overflows, and landslides, devastating communities from the mountains of the north to the plains of the south. Homes were destroyed, livelihoods were lost, millions were forced to flee.
जड्डण पानी आया ते असां वल जो से अॼां 8-10 फुट पानी इत्थे खड़ा हा ते असां झाग झोग थक थुक ते असां इत्थे के आयूं साडा समान कोई चीज़ नहीं बची दाने गल गन
क्यों जो पहले दूसरा दफा जरा सिलाब है ओ साडे सहन ते कहना है आई पानी ए जरा सिलाब है साडे ते खुद कियामत दा मंजर ही आई असां जेले घर वालियो से साडा मोटर खत्म थी गया हन बोरा बह गया हन.
But even as the crisis unfolded, a coordinated response was already underway. The Brave South program is funded by the UK government's Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office, FCDO. It brought together 5 organizations under one coordinated response, led by IOM, the International Organization for Migration. The program supported communities before, during, and after the monsoon floods. It focused on preparedness and anticipatory action before the rains, emergency relief as communities were affected, and early recovery as floodwaters receded.
We have 2 UN agencies, the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, and then also UNICEF. We have 3 INGO partners, Islamic Relief Worldwide, ACTED, and CARE International. We also have a partnership with OCHA, to provide coordination support across humanitarian emergencies.
The response began before the first rains fell. Through a shared common pipeline, IOM and its partners prepositions thousands of relief kits across the country, shelter materials, hygiene supplies, and essential non-food items units ready to deploy the moment communities needed them most. In Sindh, based on 72-hour Pakistan Meteorological Department triggers forecasting riverine flooding across communities in southern Pakistan, IOM moved quickly, activating partners ACTED and CARE to support 6 districts before the waters arrived. The first priority was community-based, engaging pre-existing disaster risk management structures and disseminating early warnings to hard-to-reach areas. 2,270 households identified as most at risk received anticipatory cash assistance, enabling safe, orderly evacuations and allowing families to purchase essential food and non-food items before the flood arrived. The consortium also prepositioned additional NFIs and prepared displacement sites in Sindh to support those who could not evacuate. Relief assistance was provided to the most acutely affected areas. Pre-positioned NFIs were distributed across the affected provinces, reaching over 25,000 households in 22 districts through IOM's common pipeline, in addition to prepositioned kits through partners UNICEF and CARE. These efforts were supplemented by more comprehensive relief packages in Buner, in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and across Southern Punjab, through partners ACTED and Islamic Relief. In Buner, where a single cloudburst brought catastrophic flash flooding, Islamic Relief provided multi-sector assistance, including food rations, hygiene and household kits, winterization kits, and newborn kits, as well as communal water storage reaching over 14,000 people. In southern Punjab, across Bahawalpur, Rajanpur, Muzaffargarh, and Multan, ACTED and Islamic Relief delivered comprehensive, needs-based packages covering food assistance, hygiene kits, mosquito nets, medical supplies, livestock fodder, and water filtration units, alongside mobile health clinics reaching over 117,000 people. In total, over 280,000 individuals were reached in 22 districts through timely and need-based relief assistance. But this response was never only about relief. As the immediate emergency eased, the consortium turned to rebuilding and to building back stronger. IOM and ACTED took an integrated settlements approach to early recovery, working community by community to rehabilitate shelters and latrines, restore community infrastructure, and mobilize communities through disaster risk management training so they're better prepared for the future. ACTED also provided livelihood support, climate resilient agriculture training, and inputs for farmers and business support grants. UNICEF focused on rehabilitating water supply schemes, and FAO ran a comprehensive livestock vaccination campaign because after a monsoon like this, disease spreads fast and animals are everything for these families.
साको सकून है असाको ई सकून है जो असा जो घर बढ़ गए असा घर दे बगैर परेशान आसे हुन एक घर बढ़ गए तुआडे वास्ते भी सा दुआई करदे से.
Made possible by the UK government's FCDO, communities across Pakistan are not just surviving, they are rebuilding and preparing for what comes next. Relief, recovery, resilience.